Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices. Make sure the JBL has some charge and power it on. On your iPhone, open Settings and toggle Bluetooth on so the phone can scan. Once done, press and hold the JBL power button until you see the LED flash or hear a voice prompt that signals pairing mode. You do this first because the iPhone only shows devices actively advertising. Make sure the speaker isn't already connected to another phone or app before moving to the next step. You'll now watch the iPhone's Bluetooth list populate. Find and tap the JBL model name that matches the speaker. After you tap, the phone sends a pairing request and may show a small prompt, "Accept it." Wait for the status to flip to connected and for audio routing to update. This confirms the link. If the phone requests a PIN, type 0000 or 1234 as common defaults. Make sure the speaker's LED or voice also indicates a successful connection before playing audio. You finish by testing audio. Play music or a video and check sound routing on the iPhone's control center. Select the JBL if needed. If audio stutters or the device won't pair, power cycle both the iPhone and the JBL and try again. This clears transient Bluetooth faults. If problems persist, unpair the JBL from Bluetooth settings and perform the JBL factory reset per the manual, then repeat pairing. One key tip: interference from other Bluetooth devices can block pairing, so move away or turn them off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.